Hi, in this video from Bailey Pottery, we're going to show you how to create textured holiday ornaments. Here are the tools that we use to create this project. You will also find a list of these items at the bottom of our blog post. We start off with the Bailey Minimite 2 16-inch slab roller. This machine will help us to roll an even slab with ease. Just feed the prepared clay through one side of the slab roller, turn the handle, and out the other side comes a perfectly even slab. Using a soft rib like this mud rib, you can just smooth off the canvas texture. The idea for this project is to create a seasonal ornament with a message. At Bailey, there are a number of great texture tools to choose from in order to achieve a beautiful textured clay surface. We selected this easy-to-use flexible texture mat in the wood grain pattern to create an ornament with a rustic look. We used some of the larger circles from the 11-piece hole cutter set created by potter Bill Van Gilder. We combined them with this uppercase letter set created by Zim Tools. This set comes with all the letters that you would need to create whatever messages you'd like to add to your ornaments. Drag your finger across the surface of the clay to create a space to stamp your letters. We hope that you too will find that there is something very powerful about stamping a positive message into raw clay. Using the hole cutter set, we created circles in two different sizes, one for ornaments and one for gift tags. We bisque fired this mid-smooth stone clay to cone 04 before adding our underglaze decoration. What we're doing here is inlaying underglaze into the texture. If you want to control where the color appears, you can use a small brush like this. But if you want it to appear all over your ornament, then you can go ahead and do a whole coat of underglaze using a calligraphy or glaze brush. After applying 2 coats of underglaze, we do a wipe back technique, where basically you get a wet sponge and you wipe off the excess underglaze. The underglaze that remains in the recessions will enhance the textured look. All we need to do now is apply a clear glaze. We selected Spectrum's 1100 Zinc-Free Clear. All we needed was 1 coat of glaze to create a lovely glassy finish. Once you get an even coat of glaze applied, use a damp sponge to clean up the backs of the ornaments. Then fire them to the appropriate temperature. In this case, it was cone 6. And here they are, textured ornaments with our own positive messages, just in time for the holidays. These are easy and fun, and you can make them too. Thanks again for watching from your friends at Bailey Pottery Equipment and Ceramic Supplies.